Hello, welcome to Unicorn Princess Tarot. So, ito yung reading natin for um, water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Meron tayong special channel for water sign ha, Water Sign Philippines. Feel free to check it out. So, anong meron sa ating mga water sign? Let's start your reading. You do have here mature man, high honor, and concern. Person na kakonect mo, water sign. You do have here the lovers, the bad health, and child. You could be connected with this person through a child, or maybe may anak kayo ng person na kakonect mo dito. But honestly, I see this connection na pwedeng may mga bagay kang hindi sinasabi sa person na ito. With regards to your relationship, pwedeng ikaw yung nag-aalaga sa person na ito, or ikaw yung nag-aalaga ng relationship, or maybe you are the one na mas gumagawa pagdating sa home, sa house. Maybe you're taking care of this person. And yeah, you could be in a relationship with this person, and pwedeng lahat ibinibigay mo sa kanya, or kung hindi man, chances are ikaw yung yung mas nag-work or gumagawa sa house or home. But anyway, kung hindi ka nakaka-relate, huwag mong pilitin ha, kasi hindi naman to personal reading. Emotions mo sa person na ito. Okay, wait lang. Nagulo. Yung iba, if ever na hindi pa kayo nagsasama ng person na ito, pwedeng pwedeng sa inyong dalawa ikaw yung mas magaling mag-alaga, or mas magaling mag-work, or humawak sa mga gawaing bahay. Growth is here, perseverance, honesty, and pride. So might be I feel like sexually you are attracted dito sa person na to. But honestly, mas nakikita natin na pwedeng sa ngayon mas importante para sa iyo ang sarili mo, ang mga sarili mong kagustuhan. Maybe may growth na nangyayari sa inyo na person na ito, and I can see the word Han. So I don't know if you call this person Han, or yun yung tawagan ninyo Han. Self-esteem, gratitude, humor, and bottom of the deck is adversity. A lot of growth ang nakikita natin sa connection ninyo, but honestly, pagdating sa emotion, mas importante sa iyo ang sarili mo, or mas nakikita natin na mas mahal mo pa rin sa ngayon ang sarili mo, or ang mga sarili mong kagustuhan. Maybe with regards to your goals or changes na gusto mong gawin sa buhay mo. And itong person na to, ganun din eh. Pwedeng nagfo-focus siya sa kanyang buhay, sa kanyang mga opportunities sa paligid niya. Ang main focus niya is to, maging mas more abundant, mas swertehin, or mas maging lucky pagdating sa pera. And yeah. I want to get the mutual energy, mutual connection. Kasi nakakakita tayo ng relationship, honestly, but Ano yung mutual connection, mutual energy, mutual emotion sa isa't isa? Please tell me. For water sign, you do have your surrender. And guilt is here. I feel like tumat either yung connection ninyo is tumatakbo because of sex, or maybe you had a child with this person and maybe hindi yon pinlano. Maybe it's like biglaan. And for now, maybe yun ang rason kung bakit you're both being selfish with each other. Kasi honestly, maybe you don't love this person enough, and yung person na ito pwedeng ganun din. Hindi ka rin niya ganun kamahal. Kasi yung connection ninyo, na-develop lang siya not because of love, but because of sex, or because wala tayong choice. May anak tayo, alangan naman. Parang ganun. And there's not enough attraction. Maybe you call each other by your, sweet name, o Han, ganyan, or may mga tawagan kayo na sweet calling, but it's just hindi yun yung totoo eh. Hindi ko yung nakikitang yun yung totoo sa inyo. I can see Gemini. Could be dealing with a Gemini, or a water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Okay lang kahit hindi, ha? What will happen in the near future sa inyong dalawa? You do have here chemistry, passion, and finances and career. Separation is here, reconciliation, and one more card. You deserve love. What's with the chemistry? Playfulness, and bottom of the deck is the free yourself. Release your ex. Okay. The way I see this, in the near future, you will be concentrating sa iyong money, career. Some of you, tinatry nyong maging, parang nakita natin ipinipilit yung connection or yung relationship kasi ayaw mong lumabas na masama sa mga tao, or maging masama ang tingin sa'yo ng anak mo, if you do have children together. Actually, hindi lang ikaw, pati ang person na ito. So, I feel like some of you nag-work out ang relationship kasi parehong ganun ang thinking nyo eh. Baga kailangan natin tong i-work out para sa anak natin, or kailangan nating, ayusin, or nandito na tayo, wala na tayong magagawa. But, I mean, the advice here is to let go, honestly. Diba? If this person is for you, this is for you. But if not, if it's not for you. And kailangan lang tanggapin yon. Separation is here, and I mean, alam mo bakit? Kasi kung alam mo namang hindi na nag-work out simula pa lang, there's a high chance na wag nang palalain, wag nang patagalin hangga't kaya pa, hangga't pwede pa, like kung pwede nang i-let go ngayon, let go mo na. With regards to the child, of course, pag-usapan ninyo kung paano niyo i-work out yung relationship, yung connection ninyo sa child or anak. By the way, sorry about the may mga gamo-gamo kasi sa table gawa ng umulan. So, ayun. Kasi you deserve love. Both of you deserve love. And kung hindi nyo kayang ibigay, you feel like hindi mo kayang ibigay sa taong ito yon, hindi niya rin kayang ibigay sa'yo, maybe andito na tayo sa sinasabi, nagkamali. Pero, di ba? Maybe, yung pagkakamali na yun is some kind of like a lesson sa inyo. And kung mas nahihirapan, nagsasuffer yung relationship, yung connection, dahil sa pinipilit, I mean, I think it's the right time to free yourself. Diba? I-free mo na lang yung sarili mo. Release this person. Release your ex. Alam mo sa sarili mo if you love the person. Or, alam mo sa sarili mo if you do love someone else. Diba? Yung iba, paano? Ayoko namang i-sacrifice yung kasayahan. I mean, ayoko namang mag-suffer yung aking anak dahil sa pang sarili kong happiness. Sasabihin ng iba. But, I mean, you do have your forgiving and learning. Of course, hindi mo naman aalisan or iiwan yung relationship, yung connection na hindi naaayos yung mga dapat ayusin. And you need to learn how to forgive itong person na to or ang mga pangyayari sa situation ninyo, sa connection ninyo. And also, yung person na ito, kailangan din na mapag-usapan ninyo how to heal, how to release each other, how to experience this better life na pwedeng mas makuha ninyo, mas ma-accomplish ninyo if you would learn how to accept na hindi talaga ito nag-work out para sa inyo, na hindi talaga para kayo sa isa't isa, like that kind of energy. Diba? Calling in your soulmate, this is showing to me as like a support, like a connection, communication na dapat itong person na ito is just in case na matatapos ang connection ninyo, na dapat nandun pa rin ang connection or communication ninyo. Paalang-alang sa mga bata. Okay? And you do have your healing family issues. So, mas mag-heal yung mga issues na yan if mas magiging open kayo sa isa't isa. Okay? And pareho kayo magbe-benefit if you would learn how to forgive each other. Bakit? Once kasi na umalis kayo sa connection na hindi nag-work out, mas mapupunta kayo sa tamang direksyon. So, sabihin na natin, pagdating sa love is sa mga mga tamang tao. Or, pagdating sa buhay, mas magbe-benefit kayo kapag mas nakawala kayo sa bawat isa dahil may mas mga better opportunities na naghihintay para sa inyo. So that's it for now. Thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.